So Linux is very necessary. So security groups, I have shared all the nitty-gritties about security groups with you. And key pair, we have also shared about key pair. I told you that it's a combination of public and private key. So public key stays with Amazon, private key stays with you. The PEM file that we downloaded and later on converted into PPK file, right? So once the public and private key matches, then only you are able to get the access to the EC2 instance. Okay, so that is one way. So if you lose the key pair, then there is a workaround, but you need to follow the proactive approach. Like every time you create an instance, just create an image out of it. And even if you lose the key pair, but if you have the image, you can create further EC2 instances with that image. Okay. Now I told you the difference between shared and dedicated. Shared comes with many users like you and me sharing us the same machine, but dedicated is something which is assigned dedicatedly for you. So dedicated is not the part of free tier, but shared is. Okay, shared you do not get charged anything, but in dedicated you get charged. So EC2 window instance I showed you how to launch yesterday, and Linux instance also I showed you how to install a Linux instance. Okay.
So, never mind. Because
Yeah, please go ahead, Haraka.
yeah, I was like, I was like expecting the same as a window. Because even in the window, we just create manually. We create a boolean. We add, right. We like add, delete, and we just make like a different C folder, D folder. I'm expecting Linux as the same way. That's why.
Yeah. Linux, you at least with Amazon, you cannot have the GUI based with Linux. But once we take up the course on DevOps, then I will show you that you can have the GUI flavor of Ubuntu that you can spin using a software called Vagrant. So that thing is possible. I'm not denying the fact, but it will come later on in the course.
Yeah, that's fine.
You guys,
Dheeraj, I have a question. In Linux, so we can add the storage by LVM. Can we do here on Amazon AWS?
Yes, we can. So that I will show you in tomorrow's class.
Mm-hmm.
So
you
these
said
are
tomorrow. Is there a class tomorrow too?
tomorrow is Saturday. I guess most of you would have some plans, so we can rather do it on Monday. That would be Tuesday morning for me.
Yes, that would be much better.
Can we increase the time? Because instead of taking like class on like in some holiday, I mean on weekend or something like that, either we can take class 3 hours instead of like 45 minutes or something like that.
I guess I can give 3 hours class. I do not have issues, Haraka. But the
Yeah.
problem is the things are a bit new to all of us, and it might take some time coping up with the content, right?
Then I'm talking about if we miss the class, like
Yeah.
suppose.
If you need it, just let me know in advance, and I will make myself available for 3 hours class. No issues.
Because I think yesterday or day before yesterday we have to cancel one class, right? To cover that class, on next day we can cover by adding time. So that way,
I
mean that.
totally agree. I'm perfectly all right with it. But right now it's initial time of the course. I want to go at the right pace right now. But definitely after 1 week or 1.5 week, definitely we can go full pace. Okay.
Yeah. That's just my view. I didn't mean that we have to follow. We have to follow my view. I'm just telling you. Yeah, maybe later when we all are used to on the new field. Yeah, we can do that later.
Absolutely, I totally agree. So I totally agree with you, Haraka. We have a WhatsApp group and we can discuss any issues or any concerns. So right now, like the topics that have been covered is Microsoft Windows instance and Microsoft Linux instance. Yesterday I showed you how to add extra volume to the Microsoft instance, and that started reflecting as the D drive. Same thing we can do here in Linux as well. But first of all, I want each one of you to practice creating a Linux Ubuntu server. This session is getting recorded, and I will be sharing the recording with you right after the class. Mukund, please drop your email on the WhatsApp.
I already dropped it.
I got one for Ujjwal.
Mm-hmm.
Ujjwal
Yes.
says there, ujjwalshrestha2@gmail.com.
We done our class for today.
Sorry?
We done our class for today. Yeah, I mean, we done our class for today, or we still have some more.
I have more, but you tell me, like, would you like to practice this stuff first and then later on we start a new thing, or you want to start me a new thing right away?
No,
So
no. I mean, I have to go outside. That's why I'm just. I have to leave now. That's why I'm telling you. We can continue the class because I have to go. I have to leave now.
okay, no
That's
problem,
why.
no problem. You take your time, and I'm sending the recordings to you. You practice the stuff that we have covered till now, and we will meet again on Monday, and we will take it up from there.
So we're going to take our weekend class as we discussed last time.
Haraka, weekends, some of us have got some plans, like
That's fine.
Anup has got plans, and Mukunda, are you okay with the weekend class?
No, that's fine. I'm just asking. If all of
Uh,
these, we can start from Monday.
Okay,
but
yeah,
it
let's,
would be better because we start from Monday. Yeah,
I'm
that's
not worried because like the last time we discussed on weekend class. That's why I'm just reminding you.
yeah, okay,
We have
so
time.
no rush. We will be very patient in learning new things. No rush initially, otherwise we might lose the interest, which I do not want. So we will go steadily, and we have got plenty of time, and we will utilize that, and we will learn to our best. Okay.
yeah, I agree with you. Yeah, there is.
I'm still guys. Dhirat, I think I may send you my login ID and password for the console. If you got time.
Sure,
if
sure.
you, I
Just
mean,
drop me the credentials on WhatsApp, and I will have a look at it.
yeah. If you got the time. If not, then that's fine.
No, I will take care of it. No issues.
Thank you. All right, see you guys.
All right. Thank you,
Uh,
everyone. Yeah. Tell me.
Dheeraj, what about our assignment? Like we have to create Microsoft instance and Linux instance. That's it.
Yeah, that's the assignment as of now. Create the billing alarm that I showed you yesterday. So whatever that has been demonstrated in the class till now, please
Mhm.
follow that.
Okay, please send me the recorded video because I
Sure,
already dropped my mail.
sure,
Did you
sure.
get it?
Yeah. I will share the previous recordings with you.
I have a question.
Yeah, Ujjwal.
So I would like to know something about the key pairing. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So you told us before that if we lose the key pair, right? So where we can get the key if we lose that?
So if you lose the key, there is no way to retrieve it, but there is a workaround. There is a workaround available, and that workaround is you can create an image from the existing instance, and from that image you can create more similar instances with a new key pair. So that's a workaround that we have learned, but there is no such facility provided by Amazon that if you lose the key pair, Amazon is gonna help you with a new key pair. No, that's not the case.
Is that like a snapshot that we do in the VMware?
Snapshot, yeah, AMI, creating an image is snapshot. That's right. We will learn more about it.
Okay.
All right.
Thank
So
you.
yeah, I'm gonna send you the previous recordings, Mukunda and Ujjwal, and just get up to date with that. And on that note, we meet again on Monday, and we will take it up from there.
Okay,
Yes.
got
All right. Thank you, everyone. You have a good weekend ahead. Thank you.